Hi guys, it's me, your buddy here, Max D Fan 101.1. And today we're giving you the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 1. It's closed now. This is the official drivers and the trucks. These have 16 trucks today. And let's get on with it. First is Nick KTM 2016 Engraved Digger. Monster Jam 303 is a Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Let's Talk Monster Jam is in Dragon. Rock Sexy God 2015 is in Max D Mud. Lego Heat I think is an Avenger. Monster Jam Collector 99 is in War Finals. Ninja 83719 is in Soldier Fortune. I will be in the Zombie. Watch the Kid 05 will be a Lucas Oil Crusader. Smiley Cruz, you will be in Mohawk Warrior Purple. Awesome Ethan 123592, you'll be in Team Hot Wheels Firestorm. Monster Jam OCD, you're in Greater You're the Legend. Monster Jam Fan 11, you're going to be in El Toro Loco Track Ace. Mommy Love, you're going to be in Wrecking Crew. And Monster Jam Fan 12, you're in Mud Treads Higher Education. That is the official list for Sign Up Series 1. Check it out on Friday. Please subscribe for more. Peace out.